Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Soletracks, your source for the fire and sneakers and music right here on YouTube. Drop a comment and like below if you mess with the movement, and if you don't, you already know, man. You can get the fuck on. What's up guys? We got a different video today. I know I've been dropping a lot of music shit lately, and I've been neglecting the soul part of the Soletracks name. And a lot of you guys honestly got here with the sneaker stuff and the fashion stuff. So I told myself, look, man, I never stopped buying. Why am I neglecting this? Let me put out another video. So today I got something for you a little bit different. Today I got some fitted hats, okay? If you aren't already hip to the fitted hat game, it has been going crazy over the past 2 years, and myself has just been able to get into it in like the past couple of months. And honestly, I was scared of getting into the fitted hats because I ain't gonna lie, I got a small ass head, okay? I wear a size 7, all right? And if I didn't have hair, I don't know if I would even be in this motherfucker, okay? It would just be swimming and you would just see the space in the sides of the hat and shit, all right? But I just gotten addicted, you know what I'm saying? There's so many different flavors and companies and all types of different hats and logos that you can get into. And it's definitely a more addicting addiction for me than sneakers are because they're cheaper. So you can just roll in a bunch of fucking hats over the course of 1 week. And that's pretty much what I did over here. Today, I got all of my hats that I picked up for the month of September, and I'm just gonna be showing them off to you guys. And I think this would be cool if I made it like a monthly type of thing, just to, you know, give you guys a taste of what I'd be rocking, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna get into the first one. Okay, so the first pickup that I bought in the month of September, and this pretty much kind of like started it off for me, was this Washington Nationals hat. It's kind of like a 2019 World Series kind of like celebration hat going on here. And I got this from Lids. It was a pretty just simple pickup. I needed a navy hat, and since I finally found my size in fitted hats, I was like, let me pick this one up. It's got some cool patches on the back, World Series 2019. And you know, I am from the DMV area, so of course a Nationals hat is pretty essential. All you got is this navy blue. You got your white Washington Nationals, and you got a red outline going on there. One tone all around the whole hat, all navy, some patches on the side. I like the Batterman logo on here. You got a blue and red Batterman logo. And of course, the underbrim is gray, because you know we don't do no black nasties over here, all right? If you ever see me rocking a black nasty, just call the police on me, all right? And matter of fact, I'll turn myself in. But this is the first pickup. Pretty clean hat, you know what I'm saying? If you want me to throw it on, you know, can't go wrong with it. I like the 19 going on inside here. It just gives it like a little extra, you know what I'm saying? Just not your average Washington Nationals hat. So I thought this was pretty cool. All right, next up, I got this hat. This is a Diamondbacks, and I think this was called the Cloud Icons pack, I believe. Arizona Diamondbacks for the logo. I got this off of anthem.com, and I actually saw this for the first time on Cap City on Instagram. And if you aren't aware of Cap City, they got some pretty cool hats on there, but the prices ain't cool. $65 to $70 for a hat, I wasn't rocking with. So I took my talents to Google, and I found this for 35 bucks on this website called anthem.com. And shout out to them because it came with quick shipping and basically half off the price. I thought this was really cool. I love the cloud icons going on behind the Diamondbacks logo. The Diamondbacks logo definitely is one of my favorite logos. I love the gold outer rim going on here with kind of like that teal aquamarine scales going up the back. Side patch, World Series 2001, and kind of like an icy blue hints on it. The hat itself is all black. If you go around the back, you got a black, white, and purple Batterman logo. And it is raised because I know some people care about that. Some people care if the Batterman is raised or not. Me, I don't give a fuck, okay? And this is probably my favorite part of the hat, that icy blue brim going on here. So yeah, pretty clean hat, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm I'm really liking this one. Next up, I got 3 different hats from basically one of the only exclusive fitted hat stores in my area, and that is Hat Dreams on Instagram, and the actual store is located in Forestville Mall, and it's titled First Down Sports. All on the social media, they go by Hat Dreams. So Hat Dreams got some pretty dope shit, okay? They've been dropping a lot of exclusive colorways with the fitted hats, and I was able to find some pretty dope stuff in there on my first time going. First off, we got this beautiful brown Chicago Cubs fitted right here. I'm just loving this hat right here. I love this old school Cubs logo. The whole hat is kind of like this mocha colorway, you know, real espresso vibes. If you go around to the side patch, I think this is 1962. Yeah, 1962 All-Star Game side patch. Kind of got that peach outer rim. And then you got your black Cubs lettering with the white in the back of that. And if you hit the bottom, it's more of that peach. And I think this really like sits on that brown really nicely. And for the people that care, you know, white sweatband. Drop in the comments if you prefer a white sweatband or a black sweatband. I know some people, you know, sweat a lot. I personally don't really give a fuck. Batterman. This is not a raised Batterman. Got that brown and that peach on the right side. Yeah, beautiful hat here. Shout out to Hat Dreams for this one right here. Next up, we got an icy blue, nice blue going on this Anaheim Angels hat right here. I really like this, you know what I'm saying? This could go with a lot of blue fits. As soon as I saw this, I was thinking Carolina blue, UNC, any shoe with that colorway. This is an easy fit for. Got that beautiful Anaheim Angels logo. You got that kind of like that Carolina blue going on where the A is, white on the outer line, white wing with the blue trim going around. Just a really dope logo. Definitely one of my favorites. 50th anniversary patch going on here. Can't go wrong with this patch. Really liking this one. And you got that icy blue on the bottom. Just real nice touch to it, you know what I'm saying? White sweatband. Batterman is raised with that blue and that Carolina blue on the other side. Definitely one of my favorites. I remember when I picked this up, I rocked it the next day. Last but not least, probably one of the more coveted hats out of the 3 that I picked up from Hat Dreams. You got your Milwaukee Brewers going on right here in this nice kind of like maroon colorway. This is definitely a just really nice hat. I love how the gold kind of hits. It's just giving you like more classy, subtle, but you know, nice shiny hits on it. Gotta love the Brewers script logo. Got your All-Star Game side patch in that gold and white. Black brim. And sets it off even more with that Kelly green underbrim right here. I do think that the Kelly green underbrim gives hats like more of like a classic vibe going on rather than the gray ones. But I do think the gray gives it like a cleaner look, if that makes sense. It's something you can rock more with everything. Sometimes with the green underbrim, it just looks weird. Like if you're trying to rock a certain shoe with a certain color and you're looking at green under your hat. Also, not a raised Batterman, black and maroon. Really nice hat, man. Next up, probably my favorite logos in fitted hats. San Francisco Giants, man. This one specifically is from 95 North Boutique on Instagram. And I was definitely excited to pick this one up. I love the colors, the two-tone. This is not an off-white. This is definitely like, you know, straight up white. Black brim, and you got that old school G logo going on here with that black and the orange outline, and then you got white on the inside outline. It's just very well executed. when I put this on, it just looked super clean. You got your Giants 50th anniversary patch going on with the bridge on the side. Really like the way that they did that with the color blocking. Underbill is that orange. I think this is definitely like the highlight of this hat. It kind of just like brings everything together. White sweatband, black button if you care. I know some people care about the button violations. I can't lie, if this was a white button, I probably wouldn't have bought it, to be honest. I can't even hold you. Only thing I didn't really like about this hat was the Batterman choice. It's all orange. But yeah, San Francisco Giants, old school G, beautiful hat. Next up, For You Caps on Instagram had a drop. I think it was like maybe the middle towards the end of September where I picked this up. Baltimore Orioles, you know what I'm saying? I really like this logo. I've never seen this logo before for the Baltimore Orioles, so I thought it was just like a cool, you know, something other than the regular O logo that we usually see on Baltimore Orioles hats. You got this kind of like dark charcoal gray on the top, black brim, and that's pretty much what set me off towards this hat, because not only I love gray things, you know what I'm saying? I love gray and black, and that orange and the logo and the side patch just kind of give it a little pop, you know what I'm saying? So definitely makes it like more of an everyday wear. You got this kind of crazy Orioles logo, Orioles in orange. You got some green and yellow hits and black and orange on the Orioles bird. 50th anniversary side patch over here. Can't lie, this isn't my favorite Orioles side patch. You know what I'm saying? But I don't got a problem with it. Black and orange with the white outer line on the Batterman. Black button and classic light gray under brim. White sweatband. Pretty clean hat, man. Next up, one of my favorite pickups, definitely. If you watched my Freddie Gibbs Sold Separately reaction video, I was wearing this hat. And you got your Seattle Mariners, man. This is from newera.com, okay? Straight from the source, all right? If you didn't know, all these fitted hats are made by New Era, and New Era drops a different collection of hats, different logos, all in the same color every Monday. And they call it Just Caps. And I think this is Just Caps collection 12 or 13. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But this is the Seattle Mariners. You got it in kind of like this rust colorway up top with the brown on the brim. And what really kind of like meshes this hat together is this blush pink in the logo. And I think the Seattle Mariners logo is definitely like just super classic. Got your 40th anniversary side patch. I do really like this side patch a lot. You got your dark brown button and kind of like that pink blush color on the underbrim as well. White sweatband. And on the Batterman, you kind of got that same brown that's on the top of the hat. And then you have the pink on the Batterman itself with a light brown going on the right side over there. But yeah, this is definitely a super clean hat. Perfect for the fall time, man. If anybody cares, this one is all polyester and it's made in China. Personally, I prefer the Chinas. Hats that are made in Bangladesh generally run pretty small for me, and I already wear a size 7, so if it fits tight, I'm just like, what the fuck? But usually the made in China is kind of like just have a more uniform fit, gives me, you know, enough room, but the hat is still snug, and I can run through these, you know, just in case anybody's trying to pick some up. Yeah, so every hat basically that I picked up in this video was made from Bangladesh, except for the one that I just shown. All right, up next, almost done here. We're back at Hat Dreams for this one. Picked this up in store, and this is the Washington Nationals. Very, very, very clean colorway here. I think this was called the Harvest Pack. I'm honestly not sure. I'll make sure to put it somewhere on the screen here. But I really like this hat. This came out with a pack with the Houston Astros and I think the Minnesota Twins as well. The Minnesota Twins definitely look fucking dope too. I think they still have it on their website. But I'm really loving this one just because of that kind of like a pumpkin orange going on at the top of the hat here. You got your nice brown on the brim, and it just goes perfectly well for these fall colors. White Nationals logo, and you kind of got like a yellow outline going on. I don't know if you can see, but it makes it pick up the logo really well. 2019 World Series Championship side patch over here. Clean side patch, black Batterman, orange on the side, brown button, and your classic green under brim. Definitely brings this hat together pretty well. But yeah, this is definitely like one of my favorites that I've picked up. Haven't worn it yet, but it just looks so good, man. Definitely was going for the Houston Astros, but if you guys don't already know, Houston Astros just fly off the shelves every time somebody drops them. Doesn't matter what color it's in. It's pretty much going if you're buying online. So try to get lucky and go in store for that Houston Astros. But definitely had to pick this one up simply because it's Washington Nationals. So last but not least, we went over to the hat store that pretty much everybody knows about. Lids. Another Washington Nationals right here. And this pack was titled the Dirty Martini pack, if I'm not mistaken. And they had a few other teams, but this one was definitely like one that I thought that I just needed to pick up because it's the Washington Nationals, and I feel like I just need to have as many Washington Nationals hats as possible in my collection just because, you know, where I'm from. Definitely like this one. You kind of got like an off-white, almost like an eggnog color on the top of the hat. So it's not just straight up white. You got your olive, and it's kind of like a rusty olive, you know? It's not as dark as I've seen other olives, but that's on the underbrim. Olive Washington Nationals logo with your red outer lining. And I think this definitely like threw me off a little bit the first time I seen it, because when I seen it, I automatically thought of Christmas. And I'm like, why the fuck would I want to wear a Christmas hat? You know, when it's not Christmas, it's just weird, but you know, it's a clean hat. All-Star Game side patch. I really like this Washington National side patch. You kind of got like, you know, some Grinch colors going on here with the red and that lime green with the olive in the background. Red New Era logo. I definitely like that they did that to kind of contrast from the rest of the hat. Olive green and red Batterman. White sweatband and a green underbrim. This one is made in China, 100% polyester. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so those are all the hats that I purchased throughout the month of September. That was a total of what? 10 fucking hats bought in September. I know that people, you know, have gone way crazier than that in, you know, their pickup videos, but I'm just starting out, to be honest, and I just thought that was crazy for me to get that many hats in 1 month, simply for the fact that I just, you know, kind of got into it. So thought I'd make a video about it. If you liked any of the hats, I'll try to drop some links in the description if they're still available. Honestly, most of these hats are sold out by now, so I'll try to look for them for you guys, but I'll also drop the brands that I bought them from and the stores that I bought them from in the description. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button for me, man. And if you made it to the end of the video, I mean, bro, you might as well just subscribe. Like, you watched the whole video, chances are you're gonna watch another one, so just be here for the ride pretty much. Hit the subscribe button. What else is there? In a YouTube channel, and share this video wherever you can. That definitely helps spread the word to the Soletracks family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely be back with some more hat videos, fashion videos, sneaker videos. We back. Thank you guys for watching again. This has been Soletracks September fitted hats pickups. Soletracks out.